this is Jane. Do you want to have a good price and high accuracy press brake? Please follow this video. In this video, I want to share with you the NC and CNC press brake accuracy difference. Now here we have two NC and CNC press brake in the same Toshiba structure. This is our CT8P CNC controller. And this is our E21 NC controller. This controller mainly controls X-axis for the backgauge programs. The controller matches with AC motor. The accuracy of this controller is minus and plus 0.1 millimeter. So, how we make improvement for this controller machine? Usually, we will install the event in the electrical cabinet to make an improvement. Okay, now this is the CT8P CNC controller. This controller matches with the source, motor, and driver. The accuracy of this controller is minus and plus 0.02 millimeter. So totally, it's nearly 5 times improvement compared with an NC controller, right? Okay, now I get how to make choice for NC and CNC press brake for the accuracy requirement. Please contact us for more details. Thank you.